Hello, I am Carrington Carter, General Partner of East Chop Capital, on site here in Reunion Resort in beautiful Orlando, Florida, where we are celebrating the slab pouring of our latest build down here in the exclusive and award-winning Reunion Resort. Every year, Orlando specifically welcomes nearly 75 million visitors for the fantastic weather, amazing golf, and let's not forget the theme parks that are in close proximity. We're here about 10 minutes from Walt Disney World Resort, about 25 minutes from Universal, and we're also excited about the opening of Universal Epic Universe next year, which is why we're building these amazing custom homes. I will turn it over to the managing partner, Zarek Scales, to tell you about exactly what we're building here behind us.
Behind us, we're building a custom 6,500 square feet, 9-bedroom, 10-bath home.
Let's talk about the Santorini-inspired pool that overlooks the 6th hole of the Jack Nicklaus course. We are custom building this house with our phenomenal partner, Edie Waddell and her team at Landmark down here in Orlando, Florida, building this fabulous house as well as the one next door. Edie, you want to tell us about yourself and Landmark?
Well, first of all, I'd like to say we are happy to be selected as the preferred builders in Orlando for East Chop Capital. Custom designed, custom built for them. Mark has spent a lot of time working with them on the engineering side to make sure that it's built to last. So we're excited to be your preferred builder. We look forward to the 3rd and the 4th property. And let us know when you're ready.
Right.
And thank you very much for choosing Landmark.
All right, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Thank you. Our homes are marketed under the Getaway Society brand. That's where you'll see our entire portfolio of luxury vacation rental homes. GetawaySociety.com, or also follow us on Instagram at Getaway Society or on Facebook. Our portfolio encompasses about 7 states. You'll see us on Martha's Vineyard, Massachusetts, Hilton Head, Gatlinburg, Tennessee, Pocono Mountains, Pennsylvania, Virginia Beach, Broken Bow, Oklahoma, and we also have a large footprint here down in Orlando, Florida, and we continue to expand. We would love to host you and your loved ones at your next vacation.